If you're starting your UPSC journey today, remember this. The exam does not reward noise. It rewards clarity. There are 3 kinds of IAS aspirants. Which one are you? By the end of this video, you will not only know your type, you will know your strategy and you will commit to it. Let's get straight to it. Type 1, the self-study warrior. Those who prepare on their own. Self-study, no coaching, nothing. Just pure dedication, self-confidence and awareness. These are the aspirants who lock in, stay consistent and build their own system. They read the standard books, master previous year questions, enroll in a test series and seek targeted mentorship only when needed. What are the pros? 0 tuition cost. You control your time, your pace, your focus. It is an inexpensive way of cracking the world's most difficult examination. You build deep discipline and clarity because every decision is yours. Even if you take coaching, you cannot skip self-study. It is non-negotiable. So self-study sharpens the core. Once you're aware of the requirements of this exam, once you're clear about the journey, the destination appears in sight. What are the cons? It can get lonely. You might feel you're the only one grinding. No immediate sense of competition. Doubt resolution and strategy corrections can get delayed without a mentor. You may end up consuming a lot of free content online and may get distracted. Worse, you may end up wasting your time and regret later. But how do these self-study aspirants win? They enroll in a strong test series early. They find a reliable guide who has prepared seriously or mentored aspirants, and they get ruthless clarity on what to read, how to read, and what not to read. Minimal sources, maximum revisions. That's the mantra. Type 2, the offline coaching sprinter. Now comes the type 2. These are the classroom-driven aspirants who want the energy of a batch, the structure of a timetable, and the ability to raise a hand and ask a question in real time. They go to Delhi, enroll in a coaching institute, attend offline classes, and seek direct assistance and guidance of the teachers. What are the pros? You feel the heat of competition. That pressure sharpens you. You can directly interact with the teacher in person. The right teacher can guide you personally and correct your course fast. You make friends. Embark on group study. Preparing with like-minded aspirants fuels your attention, minimizes the distractions, and you gain clarity on what to read, how to read, and what not to read. You engage in fruitful group discussions, share notes, and even while having food together, you discuss topics and avoid wasting time. But there are cons, my dear. It is expensive. Classes of 300 plus mean minimal personal attention during lectures. Distractions are real. If you fall in the wrong circle, then God help you if you believe in God. If the students become friends with non-serious students, then the path is uncertain. If you go offline, be deliberate. Choose a good paying guest accommodation so you are not firefighting electricity, food, and laundry. Protect your environment, or it will consume your time and energy. And remember, most students are not serious. Do not become social at the cost of your rank. Type 3, the online strategist. This is the new powerhouse of results, and it has changed the game. Aspirants who enroll in online coaching class and prepare from the comfort of their homes. What are the pros? Affordable? Yes. The ROI is unmatched. Learn at your own pace. Attend live or watch recordings. Pause, rewind, note, retain. Total anonymity. Ask every silly doubt you were scared to ask in a crowded hall. Ask doubts which you may not have asked while in an offline class because you fear being judged. Get access to top educators. You don't need to dress up for the classes. Wake up and get started. What are the cons? Less direct teacher interaction in real time. You can see a teacher, but she can't see you. Digital distractions, Netflix, YouTube, notifications. If you do not control them, they will control you. Less organic sense of competition unless you build it deliberately. You may skip live classes. You may procrastinate. You may study today and skip studies for the entire week. No one to guide you or hold you accountable. But here is the truth. The online mode, when done right, maximizes efficiency and minimizes cost. It lets you study from your safe environment. It protects your health and it puts control back in your hands. For many aspirants who cannot move to Delhi, this is not just an option, it is the smartest option, the only option. Let's address the Delhi question head on. We often romanticize Delhi coaching life, but your health is part of your preparation. Air quality matters. Estimates suggest a significant share of deaths in Delhi are linked to pollution. Latest data tells us 15% of all deaths in Delhi due to pollution. It is a gas chamber. Do not ignore your lungs for a library. If online helps you stay healthy and consistent, that is a winning edge. Clarity beats hype. Now, how do you choose your path? Here is the blueprint. Listen to me carefully. If you never took tuitions while you were in school or college and yet you did well, you don't need coaching to clear UPSC. You have already proved you can self-learn. What you must do, enroll in a good test series early. Find a mentor who has seriously prepared or guided aspirants. Get crystal clarity on sources, what to read, how to read, what to skip. Build a weekly revision rhythm and stick to it. If you want offline coaching, let affordability be the only deciding factor. It's a good choice, provided you can truly afford it without stress. If you go for it, guard your circle. Do not fall into non-serious company. Live in a stable, clean PG with reliable services. Remember, 70 to 80% aspirants are non-serious. Be the 20-30% who quietly execute. Now, if you choose online coaching, choose wisely. Look for, and listen to me carefully, a proven track record of rankers. Choose an institute which has consistently, over the years, produced results. Not fake results, which coaching institutes resort to and then get fined by the government. Complete syllabus on time. No endless drag lectures. Teachers who complete syllabus well ahead of time, who teach strictly according to the syllabus and the requirements of this exam. Nothing more, nothing less. And this is the most important thing. Choose an institute which offers an entire panel of strong teachers across all subjects, not just 2-star faculties. Every subject matters. Polity, history, geography, economy, international relations, current affairs, ethics, essays, CSAT. Your weak link decides your rank. Imagine if you're scoring 15 out of 15 in polity questions. What if you end up scoring just 2 out of 15 in economy or 3 out of 20 in science and technology? You're gone. That is why choose an institute which gives you an entire panel of credible teachers across subjects. Now, let's talk about elephant in the room. The limitations of online. Large live classes. You're not visible to the teacher. Not every doubt gets answered. attention can drop. So we have built a system that keeps the efficiency of online and injects the accountability and mentorship of offline. Introducing Unacademy Platinum for UPSC CSE 2027. What it solves? Batch size capped at 100 for community and focus. Personal mentorship by educators at a 1:30 ratio. So your strategy, your schedule, and your answer writing get individual attention. Weekly tests for both prelims and mains to create continuous exam tempo. Live mains answer writing sessions so that we train you for mains as well, not just for prelims. Dedicated sessions with serving officers for tips, clarity, and motivation. Discipline is inbuilt. If you skip 3 classes in a row, there's a penalty, because discipline should not be optional. Live plus recordings with structured notes so you never fall behind. Syllabus completion on time, exam first teaching, crisp classes, no inflated hours for optics. We want you to experience Unacademy Platinum before you commit. Attend our free sessions, speak to our team, meet the mentors, review the schedule, and decide with confidence. Give us a call on this number and let us show you how your preparation can become precise, disciplined, and outcome-driven. Before we close, here are your next 7 days. No matter which path you choose, self-study, offline, online, platinum. Day 1, lock your sources. 1 for each subject, no duplicates. 1 book per subject. Day 2 and 3, analyze the last 10 years of PYQs for prelims and mains. Identify the pattern. Day 4, create a weekly timetable that includes daily revision and newspaper reading. Newspaper reading is a must. Day 5, enroll in a test series and schedule your first test. Day 6, find a mentor or accountability partner. Share your targets. Day 7, remove distractions from your phone. App blockers on, notifications off, decide your study hours and protect them like a job. Remember, the method does not clear the exam. You do. But the right method multiplies your effort. Self-study builds your core. Offline builds your environment. Online builds efficiency. Choose the path that lets you be consistent for 15 months straight. That's where the ranks are made. If you're ready to study smarter and stay accountable, come, experience Platinum for free. The details are in the description. Your sheet is not a dream. It is a decision, followed by disciplined days, weeks, and months. Make that decision today. I'm cheering for you. Let's build your rank, day by day, test by test, decision by decision, and together, let's crack it.